Welcome to Compare to Win. The best Pokemon backpack is probably one of the most exciting choices for young Pokemon trainers. This backpack isn't just a way to carry books, it's a statement, a declaration of your love for the world of Pokemon. Join me as we dive into the features, the design, and the overall value of this awesome backpack, and see if it's the perfect companion for your everyday adventures. Number 5. Pokemon Pikachu 4-Piece Kids Backpack Set. This awesome set includes a character rucksack, lunch bag, pencil case, and water bottle. It's the perfect way for any young gamer to carry their essentials in style. Made from durable polyester and BPA-free plastic, this set is built to last. The bag, food container, and pencil case are all made from 100% polyester. The bag measures approximately 42 by 32 by 15 centimeters and features a mesh drinks holder and a large compartment. It's ideal for carrying school books, lunch, and more. Featuring 3D Pikachu ears and the official Pokemon logo, this set is a must-have. The set is perfect for carrying your lunch, luggage, and PE kit. This is 100% official merchandise, so you know it's the real deal. To keep it looking its best, follow the care instructions on the label. What we like. This 4-piece set is perfect for young Pokemon trainers. It includes everything they need for school, from the backpack to the lunch bag and pencil case. If your child needs a complete and stylish set, this is the perfect choice for them. What people say. Iconic design, cheerful and recognizable, ideal for Pokemon fans. Durable colors and embroidery, vibrant yellow tone with Pikachu details that do not fade easily. Practical size, enough for books, etc. Exactly what my son wanted. Other than that, very good quality. All it took was a butt of soap and water on a rag and it came right off. Seems durable, but school just started a couple of days ago, so let's see how it goes. The backpack of my 9-year-old's dreams. She loves it. Even being yellow, it is pretty stain resistant and stays looking great. The zipper didn't seem super sturdy, but has held up much better than I thought it would. Number 4. Bioworld Pokemon 16 Backpack 5PC Combo Set. This Pokemon backpack is a product from Bioworld, a leading designer in the pop culture retail world. It's suitable for children aged 36 months and older. This backpack is perfect for carrying books, toys, and binders. It's also ideal for travel, outdoor adventures, summer camping, and everyday fun. The backpack measures approximately 16 inches in height, 12 inches in width, and 3.5 inches in depth. It's made from durable 100% polyester and features adjustable, padded straps for comfort. It has a tablet carrying sleeve, sized at 9 by 7 inches, providing a safe space for your device. This full-size, multicolored backpack features a detailed design inspired by Pokemon, making it a must-have for any fan of the video game series. What we like. This backpack is built to last with its sturdy design. It has a tablet carrying sleeve to keep devices safe. If you are looking for a comfortable and practical backpack for everyday use, this is a great option. What people say. The backpack is very cute and my son loves it. It's a great size for a preschooler. The backpack is well made. Number 3. Bioworld Pokemon Rolling Carry-On Luggage. This luggage features vibrant images of Pikachu, Charmander, Squirtle, and Bulbasaur. It's a must-have for young Pokemon fans. They will love it. The luggage is constructed with a molded ABS hardshell front panel and PC film. This ensures long-lasting use and protects belongings. It's built to last. It's equipped with rolling wheels and a retractable trolley handle. This makes it easy to maneuver through airports and streets. Kids can easily take it anywhere. The luggage includes valet straps to keep items secure and organized during travel. This helps to keep everything in place. It's perfect for trips. It combines fun and functionality with a built-in scooter. This provides an enjoyable travel experience for kids. They will have a blast. What we like. This luggage combines fun and functionality with its built-in scooter. It features vibrant Pokemon characters, making travel enjoyable. If you want a unique and exciting travel experience for your child, consider this one. What people say. The backpack is very cute. The backpack is well made and seems durable. The colors are vibrant and the design is appealing. Number 2. Pokemon Eevee Besties Backpack with Pikachu. Get ready for the 2024 Pokemon collection. This backpack features vibrant colors and eye-catching graphics. It's perfect for school and beyond. This backpack showcases a delightful Eevee Besties design, perfect for any Pokemon fan. The design is fun and appealing, making it a great choice for everyday use. The backpack includes a Pikachu theme, adding a touch of excitement. It's a stylish way to carry all your essentials. This backpack is designed for endless fun, whether at school or on adventures. It's a dream bag for any young Pokemon enthusiast. Please note that this new style does not include the fluffy pom-pom keyring. This backpack is both stylish and functional, perfect for school days and beyond. What we like. This backpack features a glitter design with Eevee and Pikachu. The vibrant colors and sleek graphics make it stand out. If you like a stylish and fun backpack for your little girl, this is a great choice. What people say. It is very spacious and fits her lunch bag, water bottle, coat, book, and miscellaneous items. The backpack lasted all school year and has continued to be played with and used here and there since then. It has held up great. Good quality backpack with fun Eevee design. Bought this for my daughter who is Pokemon obsessed and she loves it. I wish it had side pockets to carry her water bottle, as there's only the large main pocket and a small front pocket. But that doesn't seem to bother her. She loves it and so far, good quality, great size, and sturdy. Number 1. Pokemon Pikachu Backpack for Boys. Looking for a fun and practical backpack for your little one? This Pokemon backpack is perfect for preschool and kindergarten. It's designed with kids in mind, making it a great choice. Featuring beloved characters like Pikachu, Bulbasaur, and more. This bag showcases a vibrant design that any young Pokemon fan will adore. It's a great way for them to show off their favorite characters. With dimensions of approximately h. 14xw, 11xd, 4 inches, it's the ideal size for little boys. This backpack is perfect for carrying all their essentials, without being too bulky. Made with quality materials, this backpack is built to last. It can withstand the daily wear and tear of school and play. This bag is a reliable companion for your child. The Pokeball zip adds a fun touch to the design. It's a small detail that makes this backpack even more special. This backpack is sure to be a hit with any young Pokemon trainer. What we like. This backpack is designed for preschool and kindergarten kids. It features iconic Pokemon characters like Pikachu and Bulbasaur. If you are looking for a durable and fun backpack for your little one, consider this one. What people say. Good quality and he loves it. It holds regular size folders and books. Perfect size for my 5-year-old, fits all his books and his pencil case. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.